Imagine putting on a pair of glasses and suddenly having your own private 150-inch screen for movies, gaming, or even work. That's what the new Viture Beast glasses promise. An ultra-bright, immersive display that could replace your TV or monitor. But every year, brands promise the best XR glasses ever. So is the Beast really the king of 2026 or just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. I've tested several XR and AR glasses over the past few years, from budget models to premium ones like the X-Real Air and the original Viture 1. When the Beast was announced with a brighter display, wider field of view and better comfort, I had to see if it truly lived up to the hype. I spent a few weeks testing it for movies, gaming sessions, and productivity. Here's what stood out: the good, the bad, and the honest truth. Viture advertises 3 main selling points. 1. Big screen experience, up to 1200p per eye, 58° on field of view, and peak brightness over 1200 nits. 2. Universal compatibility, works with phones, laptops, consoles, anything with USB-C video output. 3. Premium comfort and design, lightweight frame, adjustable tint, and futuristic build quality. All that sounds great, but how does it actually perform in real life? Display quality. The image is impressively bright and sharp. Movies look cinematic, and games feel smooth with minimal lag. Compared to most AR glasses, colors are richer and contrast is stronger. However, the field of view still isn't fully immersive. It's large, but not wraparound VR big. Comfort and fit. The frame feels solid, yet light, but long sessions can cause slight pressure on the nose bridge. The adjustable electrochromic tint is a great feature for blocking light in bright rooms, though the fit may vary depending on face shape. Performance and usability. Plug-and-play connectivity works well with most modern devices. There's little to no delay for media and gaming. However, the Beast still depends entirely on your connected device, meaning no internal processor or battery. Some users might find that limiting if they wanted a standalone headset experience. Features. The Beast supports diopter adjustment lenses, sold separately, so users with mild vision correction can adapt easily. The image quality holds up well even at 100-inch equivalent size, though text can appear soft at very close distances. Value for money. Priced around $550, it's clearly a premium product, but still cheaper than many full-fledged AR or VR headsets. The build quality and visual performance justify the price if you're after immersive viewing, not full AR interactivity. The Viture Beast glasses deliver on most of their promises. The display quality is excellent, brightness is unmatched, and the design feels premium. For movie lovers, frequent travelers, and gamers who want a portable big screen, it's a fantastic option. Still, it's not perfect. Comfort during long sessions. Could improve, and without built-in processing or advanced tracking, it's not a full AR device. Think of it as a portable monitor for your face, not a headset that replaces your computer. So, are the Viture Beast glasses the best virtual glasses of 2026? If your priority is immersive entertainment and portability, yes, they might be the best choice you can buy right now. If you're looking for productivity tools or long-term comfort, you might want to wait for the next generation. Either way, Viture proves once again that XR glasses aren't just a tech demo anymore. They're becoming real, everyday devices for how we watch, play, and work.